Meet Breath Kevin. I want to thank you for helping me grow my YouTube channel and spread the Boglehead philosophy, because you are the epitome of stupidity, and I can use you as a sounding board and as an example to show people what not to do. Now, you may think you're better than me because you're rich. You're rich! Even though you're probably going to lose all your money trading like a frickin' moron. But guess what, Kevin? There's a huge difference between me and you. I don't grift. You do. You tell people to buy your stupid course, and you tell them to buy garbage stocks that have no underlying fundamentals. Because they're the future, bro! And the only reason you have any gains whatsoever, at least my suspicion is because of Tesla. A massive bubble that I believe you sold puts on. I want to buy more Tesla at these valuations. God, you're an idiot. You make me want to vomit with your freaking... What kind of hat is that? Inspector Douchebag? Inspector Meat Breath? What do you call that kind of hat? Is he trying to copy Lafufu here? Anyway, this is Meat Breath Kevin, and I just got some intel that he bought some amazing, delicious stocks. So we're going to watch a little bit of his video. We're going to listen to his Meat Breath ideology. And then we're going to look at the stocks that he bought. Let's go. Hey everybody, me Kevin here.
This video is brought to you by Titan and my programs on building your wealth, both linked down below. Coupon code expiring in 2 days. Now,
he actually has the audacity to shill his course. And then, of course, he gets sponsored by Titan. I don't know what Titan is. It's probably a freaking rip-off asset management company that pays idiots like this to swindle his fans out of their retirement savings by charging high fees. But I'm sure we'll see more about Titan in a second. And his course, bro.
in this video, we need to talk about some buying that I have done. Now, to the bumbling...
Look at his hand. What do you think he's thinking about with that bottle?
idiots and morons who don't understand strategy, they might think that this was a flip-flop, a change of direction, FOMO, a clown move. And for those people, go ahead and leave a dislike and get the hell out of here.
I'm not going anywhere, Meat Breath. You're printing tendies for my channel. Now, he calls people that rightly call him out. What the hell was that? He calls people that rightly call him out freaking morons and losers and idiots, or whatever he said. Listen up, Meat Breath. For the last year, all you talked about was buying the dips. Buy the dip, bro. Stocks gonna go up, bro. And you hyped a bunch of garbage companies. And you put some of your money in them. And they got freaking annihilated. Except for Tesla. And then you have the audacity, after you liquidate your entire portfolio, on which you're going to pay massive taxes. You liquidate your entire portfolio. And then you have the audacity to tell your fans that, oh, they're idiots for calling me out on my BS. Meat Breath. Weak. And stop jacking off that bottle. It's really disturbing me.
Not my problem. To everybody else, let me explain my thesis for exactly which companies I bought and why I bought them.
My thesis. Trade in and out of securities, pay massive high capital gains taxes, because you live in California, and underperform the market, but then you can sell courses, so it doesn't matter, right?
Alright, here's the thing. And also, for full transparency, I only bought these within the last 2 hours, so trying to be as fast as possible here, okay?
I wonder if some of these stocks had a temporary spike after he bought them. He probably bought a bunch of small caps. As a matter of fact, he did. I really wonder if a lot of the price action in these stocks is a direct result of him. He could potentially be engaging in market manipulation, where he buys a position, and then he goes on his channel, and then he pumps up these stocks. Now, if he goes and buys Tesla, he's not going to move Tesla. I know Jeremy LaMeatface thinks that Meat Kevin controls Tesla stock price. He doesn't. But if Meat Breath goes and buys a small cap, under $1 billion market cap or less, he could potentially move that stock. Potentially. That's my suspicion. I can't confirm it. I don't know. But basically, he's reaping even more benefits because he buys a stock, then he announces it on his channel, and then the stock probably goes up, okay? Because he told people, or he implied that people should buy it. But he doesn't give financial advice, even though he has buy-sell alerts.
Trying to maintain that...
He's probably scratching some jizz off the back of his head.
goal of being the most transparent trader. / investor when I'm investing.
Yeah, you're so transparent, Meat Breath. You're so amazing, and you're showing Wall Street, what you can do for people. You're so amazing. Here he is. So I'm not even going to freaking watch this. Of course, there's a freaking ad coming up. But here he is. He just like draws lines on a whiteboard, and you know, it seems intelligent. And the stimmy curve. What is the stimmy curve? You're gonna get something curve shoved up your butt, me, Kevin. Just watch. Talking about the stimmy curve and interest rates and blah blah. Look, it's all a bunch of mumbo jumbo BS. Every analyst on Wall Street talks about this crap, and guess what? Most Wall Street investors underperform the market, especially after taxes and fees. It's almost like you're better off buying index funds. But me, Breath, can't tell you that. So let's skip a little bit. Here we go. Let's see what he has to say here. Oh, I'm not
looking for freelancers? Stop right here. Your talent is waiting for you on Fiverr.
Oh my God!
Seeking Alpha presents the top stocks of 2021.
Maybe I will pay for YouTube Premium or whatever.
Of announcing the completion of the taper and then an interest rate hike. I believe that this is approximately a 1% chance. So in other words, it would be a shock to the market, and I would expect the market would crash. See, unexpected equals crash.
All right, drawing pretty colors on a board. Wow, that still doesn't change the fact that you're paying massive capital gains taxes and trading in and out of securities like a freaking moron.
Could be jumping off of a bridge or jumping out of a plane without a parachute. I have no idea what's going to happen. This is a trade. So I have decided to start purchasing various different small caps, and the small caps that I'm buying, I'm going to list right now. I have bought some options, though mostly shares, in the following stocks. I want to be very, very clear. This is, again, risky. Small caps could sell off substantially more. And I'm sorry if your small cap is not on this. It's not my responsibility to worry about what stocks y'all are investing in. My responsibility is to myself and to transparency to you, because that's what I've promised. And hodling.
Don't sue me, bro, please.
Those AMC shares, which I still hodl. Before I talk about exactly what I bought, which course members are already aware of, join that link down below if you have not yet, we've got a message from our sponsor, Titan. Let's take a listen. Thank you, today's sponsor, Titan. It takes a lot of time to keep up with everything going on in the stock market. I know, I spend hours every single day researching everything that goes on. And
yeah, it takes so much time. You set up an automatic contribution to your Roth IRA and your 401k, and you buy a total world index fund, and you never time the market. You can do whatever you freaking want. You don't have to think for a second about the market. As a matter of fact, the less you think and listen to freaking morons like this, the more likely you are to have outsized returns. It's almost like it's all a mirage. So here's Kevin pumping up some stupid freaking Titan. I don't know what Titan is. Maybe I should look into it. But it's hot freaking garbage.
/Kevin and $100, and you can get started. Remember, that's titan.com/Kevin for 0 fees. I bought
Titan/meat breath.
a ton of lemonade this morning. Yeah.
Lemonade. Let's go look at Lemonade's financials. He was all about, long-term investing. And now he's a trading, apparently. Let's go look at Lemonade stock. See how they're trading, bro? Down 4%. No PE ratio. Net profit margin. Negative 185%. Good choice, meat breath.
$31. It's a steal.
$31, it's a steal. I don't see the steal, okay? Negative 185% profit margin. And now it's $28. Good job, meat breath.
But 8 Mining and Backed Holdings, BKKT. I think these have sold off substantially. Obviously, they've come down with BTC. But I do expect a strong crypto reversal this year.
Yeah, because crypto only goes up, bro. That's another great stock you should buy. I guess Hut Mining is like a freaking, degenerate crypto mining company. Let's see their profit margin. Maybe they might actually be profitable. Yeah, they are, because they're crypto mining. So here's Hut 8. Let's see. Now, the reason I wouldn't touch this stock is because it seems like it's just based totally... I don't know. I know nothing about this company. But my impression is if it's related to crypto, even if it's profitable, those profits could vanish in an instant if crypto goes to the crapper and people stop trading it, okay? Or nobody wants to deal with whatever cryptocurrency they're mining anymore. Stocks like this are highly, 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 highly volatile and freaking risky, okay? But of course, Meat Breath buys it because it's a steal. But hey, it's profitable, shockingly. So it actually went up today. Good job, Meat Breath. You just like 20 extra money. You made 5.11%, half of what you'll pay in taxes.
I bought Cardano, Solana, Luna, and Tezos.
Crypto trash.
Then I bought, some of you are going to laugh, but again, it's a trade. Tattooed Chef.
Tattooed Trucker's Taint. Let's see how Tattooed Trucker's Taint did today. Oh! So I saw it go up pretty significantly, and I wonder if Meat Breath had something to do with that. He announces he buys Tattooed Taint, and it freaking skyrockets, okay? And then, of course, it crashed. It's up 0.16% today. Negative 13% profit margin. Now, I know it's a trade, Meat Breath, but come on. You can't show stocks like this to people.
Shift Technologies. So
Shift. Let's go see Shift. I remember him talking about this, and it crashed massively. But you can just talk about it again. Negative 20% profit margin. Down 1% today.
SoFi.
SoFi. SoFi Technology. Negative 11% profit margin. Trash.
Nano Dimensions.
Nano Dimensions. Nano Dimensions. And it seems to be a trend, but a lot of these stocks seem to be really small cap stocks. No, look at the profit margin. Negative 1,360%. Nano Dimensions. What's the market cap? $873 million.
And I don't think there's an S on that one, but it doesn't matter. And LAZR, which is LAZR. That's Luminary.
LAZR stock. Doesn't even show a market cap. Negative 643% profit margin. Wow. Luminaire, laser stock, market cap. Probably a small cap. They don't even show the freaking market cap. Let's see. Oh, 4.7 billion. Okay, Meat Breath probably can't move that. Let's see.
There. I am now 45% in the market on this trade. I am maybe out of total value in the stock market and crypto, like 15% exposed to options.
So he liquidates his entire portfolio. His only gain basically is Tesla. He's going to time the market. He's going to get a massive freaking tax bill next year. And then he immediately goes back and buys 45%. All on wildly speculative, highly unprofitable, mostly small cap stocks. Almost micro caps. It's really suspicious what he's doing, okay? Blatant, in my opinion, blatantly illegal. I think he's manipulating the market. I can't prove it, but I think he is. Especially with those really small stocks. But of course, he gets away with it. And he grows his freaking YouTube channel. This is all a freaking publicity stunt. What a total freaking loser. Okay, flip-flopping, degenerate, moron, loser. If you follow this man, unsubscribe. Don't like any of his videos. Send him a message, call him Meat Breath. And for the love of God, don't buy his freaking course. Meat Breath. Anyway, of course he buys a bunch of garbage, unprofitable trade stocks that have low market caps that he could potentially, reap the benefits of by shilling them on his channel. What a loser. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Cheers!